Good afternoon good afternoon to Puan Asmanura and my fellow friends. Today I'm going to present project-based learning. The title is Make Your Own pH Indicator. Content. This is the content. Acknowledgement. First of all, praises and thanks to the Allah for His showers and blessing throughout my research to complete the project successfully. I am feeling obliged in taking the opportunity to sincerely thank my teacher, Puan Asmanura binti Yahya, for giving me an opportunity to do research about this project and guided me about this topic. I would like to express my deepest appreciation to my parents that gave me endless support and helped me along this project despite of their busy schedule. I also want to thank my friend Yovina Jayakumar for helping me throughout this project. I have no valuable words to express my thanks. My heart is still full of favors received from each one of them. Introduction. pH is a logarithmic measure of the concentration of hydrogen ions and hydroxide ion in an aqueous solution. The pH scale, which ranges from 0 to 14, is used to show the acidity and alkalinity of an aqueous solution. Solution with pH value less than 7 is acidic, while solution with pH value more than 7 is alkaline, and solution with the pH value 7 is neutral. Universal indicator pH meter or litmus paper is commonly used to determine the pH value. However, we can make a natural indicator by using vegetables or fruits to identify the acidity and alkalinity of an aqueous solution. Objective: to determine red cabbage can be used as a natural pH indicator for acids and bases to measure the pH of various solutions using pH indicator. Hypothesis: red cabbage can be used as natural pH indicator. This is the problem statement. Apparatus: glass, spoon, blender, sieve, knife. Material: red cabbage, lime juice, soap water, coffee, milk, tap water, carbonated drink, baking soda, bleach, tomato, and vinegar. Safety precautions. Some household chemicals are toxic by ingestion or inhalation and are skin and eye irritants. Avoid contact of all solution with eyes and skin. Clean up spills immediately. Do not taste or ingest any material and do not remove any remaining food items after they have been used. Wear chemical splash goggles, chemical resistant gloves, and a chemical resistant apron and face mask. Wash hands thoroughly with soap and water after the experiment. This is the estimation expenses. The total is 3 ringgit 50 cent. Procedure: put red cabbage leaves in the blender, add water into the blender, grind the red cabbage and water until it becomes extract. The extract is filtered by filter. Lime juice, soap water, coffee, milk, tap water, carbonated drink, baking soda, bleach, tomato, vinegar are poured into different glass. Few spoons of the red cabbage extract is added into each glass. The color changes of each glass is observed and the observation is recorded. Observation. This is the result. Tabulation of the data. Lime water, the color of the solution is pink, pH value is 2, and it is acid. Vinegar, the color is pink, the pH value is 3, and it is acid. Tomato, is dark pink and the pH value is 4 and it is acid. Carbonated drink is dark pink, pH value is 3 and it is acid. Milk light purple, the pH value is 6 and it is acid. Tap water is purple, the pH value is 7 and it is neutral. Coffee reddish purple, pH value is 5 and it is alkali. Baking soda, the pH value is green and the baking soda the color is green and the pH value is 9 and it is alkali. Soap water, the color is purple and the pH value is 12 and it is alkali. Lastly, bleach, it is light yellow and the pH value is 13 and it is alkali. I have a correction on coffee. The pH value, it is not alkali, it is acid. So this is discussion. Conclusion, hypothesis is accepted. Red cabbage can be used as natural pH indicator. The higher the concentration of hydrogen ions, the lower the pH value. The higher the concentration of hydroxide ion, the higher the pH value. This is my references. That's all. Thank you.
Okay.